Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. First, download and install Visual Studio Code from its official website. Next, install Node.js, which is essential for running JavaScript outside a browser. Open a new folder in VS Code to keep your projects organized. Finally, create a new file and save it with a .js extension, like app.js, to begin coding. To boost your workflow, consider installing key extensions. The JavaScript ES6 code snippets extension provides quick code templates, saving you time. For web development, Live Server instantly updates your browser as you code. Utilize the integrated terminal to run Node.js scripts directly. Also, explore IntelliSense, which offers smart code completion and helpful suggestions as you type, making coding much smoother. Debugging is a crucial skill. In VS Code, you can set breakpoints by clicking next to a line number, pausing execution there. Use the debug console to inspect variable values and evaluate expressions in real time. You can step through your code line by line, observing its flow and identifying issues. The Run and Debug view provides a comprehensive set of tools to help you efficiently troubleshoot your JavaScript applications. Continuous learning and practice are vital for mastery. Regularly build small projects, perhaps a simple calculator or a to-do list, and tackle coding challenges. Explore online tutorials and official documentation to deepen your understanding of JavaScript concepts. Joining developer communities can provide support and opportunities to share knowledge. Remember to keep your VS Code and all extensions updated to benefit from the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.